ada orang katanya di belakang. Oh, ada orang fix, ada orang.
Those are handprints.
Hah?
Those are handprints on the...
The power went off, mati lampu.
Laughed at every little thing that was against the rules.
Alright my gengs, my boy, welcome back with me, Renaldi Gilbert. Bagaimana kabar kalian my gengs, my boy? Semoga kalian baik-baik saja. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Everybody sing song of Duda. Di video kali ini my gengs, my boy, kita akan melihat ini video horor lagi ya. Sudah 3 video berturut-turut, ini bukan main saya mereact video horor ya. Pokoknya saya lagi doyan horor pokoknya. Kali ini kita akan melihat ini berbeda karena kita akan melihat video-video horor di TikTok ya saudara-saudara. Apakah semenyeramkan yang pernah saya react sebelumnya? Langsung saja kita jump into it.
Walk down your stairs with the inverted filter.
Okay.
I'm gonna show y'all because my legs look backwards as heck. All right, so this is with inverted off. Bro, this is inverted on. This is same direction. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ada orang itu di bawah.
The staircase is leading me to. I don't even know how to record this. Bro, I can't do this.
Kok seperti ada orang di video tadi. Bulu-bulu baby langsung berdiri. Oh baby. Me and my sister try the game red door, yellow door. Oke. Apa yang terjadi? Hah? Adiknya langsung shake, gemeteran. Terus horornya di mana? Tidak horor, saudara-saudara, tidak horor.
So we're starting to get real sick of our house being haunted.
Huh?
I'm over it.
Yep, me too. Because every day stuff keeps happening like this.
Lilin mati sendiri, lemari terbuka sendiri.
I'm over it.
Lihat,
Yep, me too. Because every day stuff keeps happening
mati.
like this.
Nope.
And
Menyala
like
lagi.
this.
Lilin mati dan menyala lagi, Bapak Sombayang, tolong.
And it's getting real frustrating. We have a pre-scheduled to come next Tuesday, but just last night when I was filming a TikTok, this happened.
See what's happening? It's not even plugged in. It's not plugged in. This started happening while we were filming. I'm sick of this.
Like and follow for part 7.
Rumah macam apa yang semua bendanya bergerak dengan sendirinya, lilin mati dan menyala dengan sendirinya, dan lampu lighting menyala tidak dicolok. Bapak Sombayang, tolong
Started
lihat.
happening while we were filming. I'm sick of this.
Video horor di TikTok sudah sangat horor.
Maybe there's a body and there's no.
Dead body. Okay.
There's only one fire truck. Oh,
Wait.
there's two.
Did they stop the whole freeway on the other side?
They won't let people go this way. Yeah, they stopped it all the way
Yeah,
over
they
here.
stopped.
Huh?
What is this? Is there a crime? There's a crime scene tape.
I'm so, oh my god.
Fire
There's a body.
Oh, my god!
A body.
Apa?
There's a body.
Oh, my god!
A body.
Here you go. If you didn't know, me and my cousin like to go to a lot of abandoned places, so that's what we were gonna go do that night.
Okay.
So we brought my cousin's girlfriend, my boyfriend, as well as my sister. When
Oke,
we drove by
jadi dia jalan-jalan bersama saudara-saudaranya, oke.
the sirens, as you can tell in the video, and we didn't really understand what was going on at the time. Obviously, you can see in the video that we drove past it and saw that there was caution tape and police line tape and a bunch of cops surrounding something. And then when we drove past it, we saw a dead body laying on the floor. This is an article I found.
Oh, mereka melihat orang mati sudah terkapar tadi. Oke, payung terbuka dengan sendirinya itu biasa. Nah, ini sudah ada efek CGI-nya ya, komputer pengeditan. Kalau ini masih biasa, belum terlalu menyeramkan. Kok Anda seperti suara monyet? Kok seperti monkey? Matanya menyala, Bapak Sembayang.
Yeah, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
Apa? Kenapa? Ada apa dengan bayinya? Dia memasang kamera di box bayi. Dan apa yang terjadi? Apa yang terjadi? Oh, saya baru sadar Bapak Sembayang, tolong, itu ada mata, ada wajah orang. Baru sadar, bulu baby saya berdiri. Lihat, coba kita kembali. Ini tidak ada, dan ini ada orang, lihat. Udah berdiri. Semua bulu-bulu baby berdiri ini, bahkan sampai ke jep-jepnya berdiri semua. Ada orang ya. Tapi kok orangnya mirip dengan foto profil ini ya? Lihat foto profilnya. Ini mungkin karena saya hanya sekilas melihatnya ya. Dan lihat dulu foto profilnya, hafal. Kita kembali. Apakah saya salah melihat atau bagaimana? Pipinya, matanya saya tidak tahu ya. Apakah mirip? Ini dia wajahnya. Dan ini dia. Pipinya kayaknya sama ya. Lengkungan pipinya. Tapi saya tidak tahu ya. Mungkin tolong komen di bawah ya kalau Anda setuju dengan pendapat saya tadi ya. Tolong. Next. Oke, dia lagi bobo, tidur. Terbangun. Ada apa? Ada apa? Iya, ada orang di bawah kolong, di bawah tempat tidur. Saya tidak tahu itu rekayasa atau tidak, tetapi ada setan menarik dia di bawah tempat tidur.
Here at the Chuck E. Cheese where the 5 kids went missing, and do you notice something? Those are handprints.
Hah?
Those are handprints on the
Bekas tangan? Bekas tangan di kaca?
window. Are you freaking Do you notice something?
Lihat, Mak Gengs, Mak
Those
Boy.
are handprints.
Ini tangan loh.
Those are handprints on the window.
Berarti ada berapa banyak tangan di situ? Wow.
If you scare easily, I wouldn't watch this video. In 2013, a mine explorer found this entrance to an abandoned mine and decided to go have a look around. He decides to film his experience.
Oke, dia masuk ke dalam apa ini? Tambang yang sudah terlarang ya, yang sudah tidak bisa dimasuki lagi oleh orang. Sudah ditutup pokoknya tambang ini, oke?
Of him exploring mines, but he never once references the paranormal or ghosts or anything like that. Until this video. As soon as he steps foot inside, he tells the camera that he has a really uneasy feeling about being there and wonders if he should even keep going, but he does.
Okay.
Everything seems pretty normal until he gets to a section in the mine where there's a bunch of chains
Masih
hanging
normal,
down
dia
from the
masuk
ceiling.
terus, oke.
He hears something in the back of the tunnel, so he pulls his flashlight out and he shines it towards the back, and he sees a chain swinging, and it shouldn't be, because there's no draft and he's all alone, and you can tell.
Rantai-rantainya bergerak, dia sendiri di dalam tambang ini, dan rantai-rantainya bergerak dengan sendirinya padahal di dalam tidak ada angin. Wow.
Although he's totally freaked out, he wants to know what's causing the chain to swing, so he goes farther and farther into the mine until he hears something. People whispering in every direction.
Dia terus masuk ke dalam tambang itu dan dia mendengar ada orang berbisik.
If you don't want to sleep tonight, watch the whole video.
Menyeramkan juga ya. Sudah tahu itu tambang yang sudah ditutup, tidak bisa dimasuki lagi. Anda masuk bedebu gobe.
Hey, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
You need to look at this video.
Apa? Video apa?
I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna
Oke.
send the original and
Dia
I'm
akan
gonna slow it
perlambat
down
videonya.
in Snapchat and send it, and then circle what the fuck was behind me
Oke.
while practicing my TikTok transitions. It's like a fucking person walking by really fucking fast.
Mana? Ada orang katanya di belakang. Oh, ada orang fix. Ada orang. Bulu-bulu baby berdiri. Ada orang fix. Ada
My
orang.
apartment's getting darker. I need to turn on all the lights. Like I'm scared. I'm not this skilled to just put a random looking being really fast behind me. There's nobody here.
Ada
And I have
orang.
guns. So, if you're in here, I have guns. It's a cattail.
Mana? Oh, ekor kucing ternyata. Saya sudah feeling. Oke, dia bangun jam 3 subuh. dia bisa merasakan ada orang bernafas tepat di belakang dia. Dia bangun jam 3 subuh dan dia bisa dengar, I can hear someone breathing right behind me. Bernapas di belakang dia. Dia sadar. My wife is out of town. Istrinya lagi di luar kota dan dia sendirian. Dia menangis loh ini. Dia menangis. Ada orang bernapas di belakang. Bapak sembahyang, tolong. Logikanya kalau itu setan, dia tidak bernapas. Berarti itu manusia betul. Jangan-jangan itu selingkuhan Anda, hugel Anda, orang ketiga, jangan-jangan. Dan Anda lupa. Warning grafik konten, kenapa? Kerasukan dong. Kerasukan. Dia berjalan ke hutan. Ditahan dong dia. Kenapa dibiarkan? Ditahan dong. Kerasukan. Tahan dong dia, tahan. Mau kemana dia? Oke. Luka, cakaran. Tertawa. Setannya terbahak-bahak, saudara-saudara. Malah tertawa. He doesn't want me. Ya, setannya tidak mau dia ya. Setannya pilih-pilih bukan main. Setan tidak mau menerima kita apa adanya. Biar memang setan beda-beda bu. So the power went off. Oke, lalu mati lampu ya. The power went off, mati lampu. Ternyata ada anjing biar. Memang ada anjing berdebu-debu. Ya mungkin begitu coba gengs my boy video saya tentang video-video horor di TikTok ya. Dan nantikan video-video berikutnya my gengs my boy. Kalaupun ada video-video horor tolong taruh linknya di bawah di kolom komentar ya saudara-saudara. Dan mungkin begitu coba gengs my boy video. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Everybody sing the song of Duda Duda. See you in the next video. Dadah.